2 laps. Thank you.
Okay, 2 laps. I'll take it. That's getting your money's worth. All right, theme parkineers, we are here at Castles and Coasters riding Patriot. Of all the things to ride, I don't know why, but hey, I'm out here. The tire drive lift. Lions, Kermit the Frog, and Elmo. And now we have the Wizard of Oz, the Flintstones, Scooby-Doo, King Kong, Winnie the Pooh, the Hulk, Frankenstein, SpongeBob, and Patrick. All right, looks like we got a great train on Patriot with us here today. Oh wow! Look at the tiny drop. I'm now afraid of this, but let's go. Whee! All right, 1 out of 2. The palm trees will hit you in the face. Fun fact. I can't wait to see all of our friends on the lift hill again. Power Rangers. You're seeing Do No Evil. Oh, it was Tom and Jerry. And Ariel. Was that? I thought that was Bolt. Oh. With the hamster and the ball.
Oh, I didn't see that one. Guess we'll have to ride again.
Have fun with that. Whee! Oh, and that was Patriot at Castles and Coasters.
Welcome back,
I almost said Worlds of Fun. Wrong part. Guess I'll ride that because it'll make you forget what park you're in too.
Towards front of train. Thank you for riding the Patriot and have a great day at Castles and Coasters.